Welcome back to this section. For this section, we'll be looking at scatter plots. Okay, so let's move straight to scatter plots. This is your scatter plot. You click on it and you have this guy. So just adjust it to your style. Keep at the center if you want. So for scatter plots, you bring, let's take the country. Okay, let's take the product this time. Drag your product down to your x-axis. So you have that. So I'll drag in my discounts straight to my y-axis. Okay, and we have this now. So the sum of discounts. So you can see for Amela made this, which is not very much. So let me increase the size. I'll increase the size by still dragging discount straight to size. Okay, oh, that was too fast. So drag it straight to size. You drag discount straight to the size, keep it there. So you see, so I made it bolder so you can see better. So for Anamela, that is too small. So let's see how to increase that size. So that is X, right? X axis, let's increase the size to 20 so we can see everything. So, oh, that was too big too. Okay, so for Amarilla, we have this. So the biggest of them, the product that made the most discount was Paseo. So Paseo gave a lot of discounts. All right, Paseo gave a lot of discounts, followed by this product, Velo, followed by this one here, VTT, and followed by this. So these guys were just greedy. They were greedy. They refused to give much discounts. Bias, the label is given. So don't price us down. So that's Carretera, because Carretera gave us very less discount. So that's how to import your scatter plots. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Cheers.